Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening SQL Server Management Studio and connecting to the instance you want. Enter the server name and choose Windows or SQL authentication, then provide credentials. This ensures you have permissions to view server properties. Once connected, look at Object Explorer on the left and confirm databases and server nodes load. If Object Explorer is empty, refresh or reconnect, because the connection string depends on the exact server instance and authentication mode you just selected. With the server node visible, right-click it and choose Properties to access details you need for a connection string. Navigate to Connection Properties and read the server name and instance. These form the server component of the string. Also check the network protocol and port when present, because TCP and named pipes change the format. Once done, gather authentication type and database name. These final items determine whether you'll use integrated security or include user ID and password in the string. Now assemble the connection string from collected parts. Include server equals server \instance or server equals IP port, database equals name, and either integrated security equals true or user ID equals XXX, password equals YI. You can test it by creating a new query connection in SSMS, registering the server, or using a UDL file to confirm connectivity. If it fails, make sure the server allows remote connections, verify firewall and SQL browser are configured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.